Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home, stay safe. Don't move anywhere. Before we start anything, let's pray to God everyone. Join your hands, close your eyes. Start with 3 times Omkara. Everyone take a long breath beta. Start Gayatri mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Everyone rub your hands. Put it on your face. Now slowly open your eyes. Okay students, how are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy. Now our standard 9th 10th is started है ना. So it may be sometime we will also meet, हम भी मिलेंगे, but I cannot say when will we meet. Okay students, what we learn in a last video and which chapter is going on? Our chapter 5, addition and subtraction, numbers 21 to 50. This chapter is going on. एंड सिंगल डिजिट या तो अप साइड में डबल डिजिट एंड नीचे वाले में सिंगल डिजिट सब्ट्रैक्शन वी शोल्ड देयर and the subtraction on the number line, the single numbers that also shown in this chapter. And today is our work in textbook page number 61, where it is, here is textbook page number 61. Okay, and here is your exercise is solve these sums. ये sums addition and subtraction mix है, वो आपको solve करना है. Okay, in this video we have to solve. First of all, better write your date and CW everyone. Done? Okay, let's start our first sum. Our first sum is here. Here is your number 31 plus 13. Which sign is here? Here this sign is addition है ना. So we should do here addition, means combine two or more collection. Okay, addition. चले 3 plus 1. So how to solve this? 3 after 1 finger. 3 after 1 is a 4. या तो फिर when we add 1, answer is after number. And downside also same digit, 3 plus 1. So it's also 44. Which number is there? 44 is your answer. Okay. Next sum is 1 7 17 plus 1 1 11. First you have to look at the sign. आपको sign देखना है, addition या फिर subtraction. Okay. Here is your sign is addition. So 7 plus 1. 7 after 1 is 8, and your answer 8 is here. And in your tens place 1 plus 1 is 2. From where we start addition or subtraction? From ones place, then tens place. Always do this. Never start tens place first. Always start your ones place first and then only your tens place. Okay, students. चलिए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज हियर 1818 प्लस 1010. Okay, 1818 plus this is sign here plus. Okay, चले 8 plus 0, 8 plus 0. When we add 0, answer is same number, so your 8 is as it is. Okay, then here 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so your answer become 28. Okay guys, your next sum is 1010 plus 5, 10 plus 5. This is the sign plus. Okay, first look at the sign. Always, sometimes what happens, एडिशन का आप सब्ट्रैक्शन कर देते हो, सब्ट्रैक्शन का एडिशन करते हो. सो बी केयरफुल. फर्स्ट लुक दिस साइन. ओके, 0 plus 5 is equal to 5 and 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So what is your answer? Your answer is 15. What is your answer? 15. Okay, next number is 1 to 12 plus 2 3 23. 1 to 12 plus 2 3 23. Okay, चले. Now here 3 plus 2, 3 after 2 fingers. देखो आप यूकेजी में ऐसे करते थे, 3 in mine, 2 my finger, 3 after 4 and 5. Now 3 after direct 2 finger, 3 after 4 and 5. So your answer is 5 here. And 2 plus 1, 2 after 1 is 3. So your answer is 35. Clear beta? Hope you all are understand. If you have any query, call me 527. Okay, चलो. Next number is 1313 plus 1414. Where is your ones place? Here is. And your in a ones place 3 plus 4. So which number is big here? 4. So 4 after 3 finger, 4 after 5, 6, 7. Your answer 7 is here, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 here. Okay, in this textbook में ones tens place all these are most of 1 ही लिखा है. So it's easy for you. For your next sum 14 plus 15. So in a ones place 4 plus 5. So which number is big? 5. So 5 after 4 finger, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So your answer 9 is here. Okay, in a next sum 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay beta, hope you all are understand. Next number is 1 5 15, 1 3 13. So where we start our sum for ones place. In your ones place 5 plus 3, 5. Which one is big digit? 5. So count finger 3. 5 after 6, 7, 8. And your answer 8 is already here. And 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay dear. Now next one 12 plus 12. So tens ones place 2 plus 2. 2 after 3, 4. So your answer is 4 here. And 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay beta. Now next one is 11 plus 18. So here is ones place. In a ones place 1 plus 8. Which one is big digit? 8. So 8 after 1 is 9. Your answer is 9 here, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay beta, I say always addition या subtraction start from ones place. ones place से start करोगे. And in addition big digit should be in mind and small digit count the finger, because small digit है तो आपको finger कम count करनी पड़े. ओके डियर, चलो नेक्स्ट वन बेटा. 1 9 19 plus 1 0 10. So 1's place 9 plus 0 is 9. When we add 0, answer is same number. So 9 as it is, and here 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, चलो जैसे ये property of addition, when we add 0 answer is the same number, when we add 1 answer is the after number. मैं बार बार क्यों बता रही हूँ? बिकॉज आपको माइंड में ये सारी चीज़ सेट हो जाए, है ना. आपके माइंड में सेट करने के लिए मैं बार बार बताती हूँ कि when we add 0 answer is same number, when we add 1 answer is after number. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट वन इज 1 6 16 plus 1 1 11. So 6 after 1 answer is 7, because 6 after 1 digit is a 7 after number of 6. ओके, एंड 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. हियर इज द, ये कॉमन रह रहा है टेक्स्ट बुक में, है ना. चलिए नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 1 1 11 plus 1 7 17. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 is after number of 7. देखो here 1 is upside and 7 is a downside, but what should we do? We should 7 इन माइंड, मीन 7 ही अपने माइंड में रखो, या 7 आफ्टर से ही काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करोगे. ओके, 1 एक ही फिंगर काउंट करनी पड़ेगी. अगर आप 1 इन माइंड 7 माई फिंगर करोगे तो 7 फिंगर काउंट करनी पड़ेगी. इट्स टेक अ लॉन्ग टाइम, है ना. सो ऑलवेज बिग डिजिट इन अ माइंड एंड स्मॉल डिजिट यू काउंट द फिंगर. ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट वन 10 plus 19. 10 plus 19. So 9 plus 0 is 9 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, let's move the next sum. 16 plus 12. 16 plus 12. So which one is big number in one's place? 6. 6 after 2 finger. 6 after 7 8. So your answer 8 is here, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, let's move to the next sum. 3 plus 5. So 3 after 3 plus 5. In a one's place 3 plus 5. So 5 after 3 finger. 5 after 6 7 8, and your answer 8 is here, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, next one 10 plus 19. 10 plus 19. 0 plus 9 is 9, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. It's so easy sum. Okay, 1 6 16 plus 1 2 12. In a one's place 6 after 2. 6 after 2 is 7 and 8, and your answer 8 is here, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So what is your answer? Your answer is 2 2 2 8 28. Okay, now 7 plus 12. 7 plus 12. So in a one's place 7 after 2 finger, 8 or 9. So your 9 is here, and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, next one 13 plus 15. 13 plus 15. So which is big number in a one's place? 5. How many fingers we have to count? 3. 5 after 6 7 8. So your answer is 8 here, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 28. Okay, chalo, this is the portion of addition. Now this is the portion of subtraction. Subtraction, where from we have to start? Subtraction also we have start from one's place, and here our sign is this. माइनस करना है, कट डाउन करना है, टेक अवे करना है. ओके, होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंड. इन एडिशन वी शुड मूव फॉरवर्ड, एंड इन सब्ट्रैक्शन वी शुड मूव बैकवर्ड. क्लियर? इसीलिए मैंने बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग जो नंबर से वो लर्न करवाया था. ओके, 5 minus 2. 5 say 2 finger back, 5 before 4 and 3. So your answer 3 is here and 1 minus 1 answer is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. When we minus same number, answer is 0. Okay. चलो 12 minus 10. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 because when we subtract 0, answer is same number. Okay. And 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. When we subtract same number, answer is 0. When we subtract 0, answer is number itself. वही के वही नंबर आंसर आता है. ओके. चले नेक्स्ट वन इज 38 minus 21. So in one's place 8 minus 1. So 8 के before 1 finger is 7 and your 7 is here and here 3 minus 2. 3 से 2 finger back जाओ बेटा. 3 before 2 1 and your answer 1 is here. Clear? Now next one is 44 minus 22. 44 minus 22. In ones place also same and tens place also same. अगर दोनों जगह पे सेम है तो फिर what you do, एक आंसर कर लो, वंस प्लेस का टेंस प्लेस का सेम लिख दो. ओके. 4 minus 2. So 4 before 2 finger 3 2. Your answer is 2 here and same as it is 2 here. Your answer is 22. Okay. Next one is 23 minus 10. 23 minus 10. So in ones place 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0. Answer is 3 because when we subtract 0, answer is same number. And here 2 minus 1. 2 before 1 finger is 1 and your answer 1 here. Your answer become 1 3 13. Okay, let's do the next one. Next one is here 30 minus 20. Okay, so let's start from ones place 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 before 2 1. Okay, let's move next sum. Next is 40 minus 10. So in your ones place 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 and 4 minus 1. 4 में से 1 माइनस किया है. 4 before 1 is a 3. So your answer is a 3 here. Okay. Next number 29 minus 7. 29 minus 7. So in a ones place 9 minus 7. So what you do? 9 before 7 finger. Let's first count the finger. This is your 7 finger. So 29 के before से start करोगे बेटा. 29 के before 28, 27, 25, 24, 23. एक ही मिनट. ओके बेटा. 25, 29 उसके before 28, 27, then 26, 25, 24, 23 and 22. So your answer is 22. डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हो या तो फिर 9 minus 7 करोगे तो 2 आंसर इज देयर. देखो 9 minus 7, 9 before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Your 2 is here and 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. That also 22. You can do both the way. दोनों तरीके से आप कर सकते हो. ओके. चले for next one 17 minus 11. In your ones place 7 minus 1. So 7 before 1 is 6. या तो property of subtraction 1 की property when we subtract 1 answer is before number. Okay, when we subtract 1 answer is before number. So your answer is 6 here. Okay, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Clear? Next one 25 minus 21. So in your ones place 5 minus 1. So 5 before 1 is 4. Your 4 is here and 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. So your answer be a 0. Okay. Next one. Your sum is, this is your 15 minus 14. So in your ones place 5 minus 4. 5 before 3, 2, 4. Sorry, 5 before 4 finger. 5 before 4, 3, 2, 1. Your answer is 1 here, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Next number 46 minus 31. 46 minus 31. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So your 5 answer is here, and 4 minus 3. 4 before 3 finger. 4 before 3, 2, 1. So your answer 1 is here. Okay. Now here is 22 minus 22. Answer is 0. When we subtract same number, answer is 0. And next one 49 minus 26. So in your ones place 9 minus 6. 9 before 6 finger. 9 before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 and 3. So your answer 3 is here, and 4 minus 2. 4 before 2 finger. 3 and 2. Okay, this is your answer 23 here. Okay, 3, 6, 36 minus 1 to 12. So in your ones place 6 minus 2. 6 before 2 finger. 6 before 5 and 4. So your 4 is here. Okay, and 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So your 2 is here. Okay students, this is your textbook page. Okay, and your homework is in worksheet page number 2. Okay students, have a nice day. Bye bye. We will meet in next videos.